Hello, good morning to all of you. I am Dr. D.T. Sawant from J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon District, Nashik. The topic today is which we are going to discuss, that is a early estimates of the age of the earth. Methods for estimating the age of the earth. The points to be discussed, those are a radiometric dating, rates of deposition of sediments, cooling of the earth from a molten state, fossils and evolution. The earth is more than 4,500 million years old. Its origin is shrouded in mystery, and almost nothing is known of conditions during the first 1,000 million years before consolidation of its crust. The historians relying on archaeological discoveries and the written records of ancient civilizations can reach back a mere 6,000 years into the past, but the geologists can reconstruct the story in considerable details for almost 600 million years before the historian's record begins. The geologist's evidence lies in the rocks and the fossil relics of plants and animals that many of the rocks contain. Early estimate of the age of the earth, that determination of the age of earth is known as geochronology. The age of the earth is determined with the help of number one, that is the salinity of the ocean, number two, that is sedimentation, number third, rate of erosion, and number fourth one, that is a radioactive elements. Number one, that is the salinity of the oceans. As the water of the ocean is saline, the salinity varies from about 25% of the Arctic Ocean to 39% in the Red Sea. So it is believed that the oceans at the time of their creation would have contained pure water, or there was no salt in the seawater. Later on, the running water removed salt contents from the land areas and carried that to the seas and oceans. If the total amount of oceanic salt is known, and if the annual rate of increase of oceanic salinity is uncertain, the age of the oceans may be determined. Next one, that is sedimentation. That sedimentary rocks are deposited by the various agents of denudation. The process of formation of sediments and sedimentary rocks continued throughout the geological period, and the process of erosion and deposition are still continuing. If you see the rate of erosion, that some of the geologists opine that the age of the earth may be calculated